Okay, I had a couple of people ask me, what's in the beer fridge when I did my shop tour. So let's hope we don't get ourselves in trouble, and I'll show you what's in the beer fridge. Got some IPAs, doubles, some diet beer, some strong stuff, some soda, more. Those are my stouts. A couple of more double IPAs. Really good stuff. Really, really good stuff. And then Ryan Sprite. So there you have it, guys. There's a look in the Blue Ox Model Shop beer fridge. Have a good weekend. I'll talk to you all on the other side.